Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Flutter SDK, an editor, and a Firebase project. Once done, run Flutter Doctor and resolve any warnings so your environment is stable. Create a Firebase app for your target platform and download its config file, keep it handy. Next, add Firebase core plus the platform-specific packages into PubSpec, YAML and run Flutter pubget. This sets the foundation. By doing these steps now, you avoid integration churn later and can focus on wiring services. You now wire Firebase into your app. Initialize it before run app by calling widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized and await Firebase. Initialize app. Once initialized, implement authentication using Firebase auth, create sign-up and sign-in methods with clear error handling so you can show useful messages. Then model your data and create Firestore repositories that handle CRUD with transactions or batch writes where consistency matters. Make sure to secure reads and writes via rules, and test auth to database flows locally before moving on. You finish by tightening security and preparing to ship, update Firestore and storage rules, enable analytics if needed, and configure platform signing and manifest entries. Once done, run integration and emulator tests to validate offline handling, auth persistence, and rule enforcement. For release builds, ensure you've replaced debug config with production configs. If you hit issues, check Flutter and Firebase logs. Run the Firebase emulator suite to reproduce problems locally, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.